Okay, and that's our projectile for launching the antenna line there. See that young Lucy's holding it there for us. That goes in the mortar, some black powder charge, and we fire it up at the right angle over the tree or over the high obstacle. Obviously we're registered firearms users in this country. A category is all you need to discharge a black powder firearm. Hey, thanks Luce, and 73s. Okay, this is how you really put an antenna up, guys. You good, Bruce?
Yep.
Good. Okay, so we're putting in the projectile, guys. Got our line tied on it. We're going to fire this puppy. It's going to ZL to K.
Say when.
Okay, rock and roll. Oh! Right over the middle of that tree, guys. Outstanding. Second one today.